For generations, that morning cup of coffee has been much more than just a simple beverage. It represents a cherished ritual, a quiet moment of comfort, and a reliable boost to kickstart the day. For many seniors, this daily habit is a treasured constant, like a warm and familiar companion. But imagine if this everyday pleasure could be transformed into something far more impactful. What if your morning coffee could do more than just awaken your senses? What if it could actively support your vitality, strength, and overall well-being? The great news is that it can, and the secret lies in a surprisingly straightforward practice: stirring in just one spoonful of a specific natural powder. This approach doesn't involve complicated diets, costly supplements, or drastic lifestyle shifts. Instead, it enhances something you already enjoy. By adding certain natural powders to your coffee, you can convert it into a targeted health elixir designed to address common aging-related concerns. Whether it's aching joints, declining energy, memory lapses, or a weakened immune system, each powder we will discuss provides a unique set of benefits without overlapping, allowing you to find the ideal match for your personal health goals. These powders are easy to obtain, simple to use, and can profoundly improve how you feel every day. Before we dive deeper, we want to express how much we appreciate this community's growth. If you find this information valuable, please help us extend our reach by liking and sharing it with your friends. We'd also love to hear from you. Let us know where you're tuning in from and your age in the comments. We're here and actively responding, so let's start a conversation. Please note, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized recommendations. Now, let's move on to the first powder on our list: cinnamon. The warm, sweet aroma of cinnamon is a familiar and inviting scent in any kitchen, often linked with comforting treats and holiday baking. But beyond its delightful flavor, this common spice holds a wealth of benefits, especially valuable for senior health when added to your morning coffee. The most significant and well-researched advantage of incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine is its remarkable ability to help maintain healthy and stable blood sugar levels. As we age, our bodies often become less efficient at processing sugar from the foods we consume, leading to unwanted spikes and drops in energy. Cinnamon contains compounds that gently enhance how our cells respond to insulin, the hormone responsible for moving sugar from the bloodstream into cells to be used for energy. Cinnamon helps prevent sharp blood sugar spikes that can occur after meals, promoting a more balanced and steady energy supply throughout the morning, a far more stable feeling than the jittery rush sometimes caused by coffee alone. This positive effect on blood sugar regulation also brings a simple but valuable secondary benefit. It naturally reduces cravings for added sweeteners in your coffee. Many people habitually reach for sugar or sugary creamers, inadvertently adding empty calories and contributing to the very blood sugar fluctuations we want to avoid. The natural sweetness of cinnamon, derived from its essential oils rather than actual sugar, can satisfy your desire for a sweeter-tasting cup. By adding a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, either to your coffee grounds before brewing or directly to your cup, you can often reduce or even eliminate the need for added sugar altogether. Making just one small change in your daily routine can create a ripple effect throughout your entire day, significantly reducing your overall sugar intake and supporting a healthier weight, all without compromising any enjoyment from your cherished morning ritual. The benefits of incorporating this humble spice, cinnamon, go well beyond simply managing sugar levels. It also plays a crucial role in maintaining heart health, especially important for seniors. Numerous studies have consistently demonstrated that regularly consuming cinnamon can positively influence key indicators of cardiovascular wellness. Specifically, cinnamon has been shown to help lower LDL cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol, because it contributes to plaque buildup in the arteries, while simultaneously helping to maintain or even raise HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol that works to remove LDL from the bloodstream. This dual effect helps keep the blood vessels clearer and more flexible, promoting healthier circulation. Additionally, cinnamon has mild blood-thinning properties, which support smooth blood flow and efficient delivery of oxygen and nutrients to every part of the body. For seniors, this translates into stronger heart muscle health, better circulation to extremities like hands and feet, and an overall foundation of cardiovascular strength that enables a more active and engaged lifestyle. When you think of cocoa powder, your mind might immediately drift to decadent desserts, such as brownies or chocolate cake. flavors synonymous with comfort and joy. However, in its pure, unsweetened form, cocoa powder is much more than just a delicious treat. It is a true superfood, packed with compounds that can profoundly benefit both brain health and emotional well-being, making it an excellent addition to a senior's morning coffee. One of the most immediate and delightful effects of adding cocoa to your daily routine is its remarkable ability to elevate your mood and promote a general sense of contentment. This is not merely a psychological effect driven by its rich chocolate flavor. There is a genuine physiological response behind it. Cocoa beans contain a variety of natural compounds, including theobromine and a small amount of caffeine, which work together to produce a gentle, uplifting sensation. More importantly, these compounds stimulate the release of endorphins, the body's natural, feel-good chemicals. Cocoa also supports serotonin levels in the brain, a critical neurotransmitter that acts as a natural mood stabilizer. For anyone experiencing occasional sadness, anxiety, or the general low energy that can sometimes arise, a daily dose of cocoa offers a simple, natural, and enjoyable way to help brighten the outlook and face the day with a more optimistic spirit. But the benefits of cocoa extend well beyond just a temporary mood lift, reaching deep into the structure and function of the brain itself. One of the most exciting areas of research on cocoa centers on its high concentration of powerful antioxidants called flavonols. These compounds are champions for cognitive health because they improve blood flow to the brain, an organ that demands a constant and rich supply of oxygen and nutrients to function optimally. Flavonols help relax and widen blood vessels, a process known as vasodilation. This enhanced blood flow acts like delivering premium fuel directly to the brain's engine, supporting better cognitive performance, memory, and overall brain health. Incorporating pure, unsweetened cocoa powder into one's daily diet can lead to noticeable and multifaceted enhancements in a wide variety of cognitive functions, including, but not limited to, improved memory retention, sharper focus and concentration, quicker information processing speed, and even enhanced verbal fluency and problem-solving abilities, which collectively contribute to a more agile and responsive mind. For older adults, who often face the challenge of preserving mental sharpness and maintaining a strong, reliable memory as they age, regularly enjoying cocoa offers a delicious, natural, and proactive approach to nourishing the brain and supporting long-term cognitive health, potentially helping to stave off age-related cognitive decline and maintain independence longer. This approach not only supports the neural pathways essential for clear thinking, memory consolidation, and overall cognitive resilience, but also provides a comforting sensory experience through the rich, complex flavor of chocolate, which can uplift mood and reduce stress through the release of endorphins and serotonin, thereby fostering an overall sense of well-being. It is crucial to emphasize that these substantial cognitive and health benefits are specifically associated with pure, unsweetened cocoa powder, not the sugary chocolate mixes, candy bars, or highly processed chocolate products that are commonly found in supermarkets and convenience stores, which often lack the beneficial compounds and contain additives that may undermine health. The health-promoting flavonols, which function as powerful antioxidants and neuroprotective agents, are most concentrated in raw, unprocessed cocoa powder, helping to combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, thereby potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, and supporting overall brain longevity. In contrast, many commercial chocolate products undergo extensive processing that depletes these beneficial compounds, and they are often laden with sugar, milk fats, preservatives, and other additives that can negate the positive effects of cocoa and even contribute to inflammation, blood sugar spikes, and other metabolic disturbances, potentially exacerbating cognitive decline and impairing overall brain function. By choosing a high-quality, unsweetened cocoa powder, you are receiving the pure essence of the cocoa bean with all its mood-enhancing, brain-supporting, anti-inflammatory, and cardiovascular benefits fully intact, and without the unhealthy extras. This makes it an especially smart and health-conscious choice for individuals who are mindful of their blood sugar levels, calorie intake, or overall wellness goals, including those managing diabetes or seeking to optimize mental performance. And slightly bitter taste of pure cocoa powder also pairs wonderfully with coffee, creating a mocha-like experience that feels indulgent but is actually a deeply nourishing and health-supportive habit. This combination transforms your morning coffee from a simple caffeine fix into a potent, functional drink designed to boost cognitive vitality, enhance emotional resilience, and sustain mental energy and clarity throughout the day. Additionally, the natural stimulants in cocoa, such as theobromine, work synergistically with coffee's caffeine to enhance alertness and elevate mood, providing a balanced, focused, and jitter-free start to the morning routine. This harmonious blend offers the stimulating benefits without the common side effects, like nervousness or energy crashes that are often associated with other caffeinated beverages, making it an ideal choice for individuals seeking sustained cognitive performance and emotional well-being, especially during demanding mental tasks or stressful situations. When you consume turmeric with a fat source like cream or coconut oil, the curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, binds with fat molecules, allowing for significantly better absorption through the intestinal wall and into your bloodstream. This is crucial because curcumin on its own is poorly absorbed, limiting its effectiveness when consumed without a fat carrier. Even more importantly, black pepper contains piperine, a natural alkaloid that remarkably increases curcumin absorption by an astonishing 2,000%. This powerful combination transforms turmeric from a poorly absorbed spice into a potent, bioavailable remedy, ensuring that the golden powder reaches your joints, tissues, and bloodstream to exert its wide-ranging beneficial effects. The health benefits of turmeric extend far beyond just soothing achy joints. Chronic inflammation underlies many serious health issues, including arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and metabolic disorders, and calming it delivers wide-ranging positive outcomes throughout the body. Notably, turmeric supports cognitive health, as brain inflammation is closely linked to age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Curcumin's potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help protect fragile brain neurons from oxidative stress and inflammation, which potentially supports memory retention, mental clarity, and overall brain function, helping to maintain cognitive performance as you age. Turmeric also plays a key role in heart health by protecting the endothelial lining of blood vessels, supporting healthy cholesterol levels, and preventing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a critical step in the development of arterial plaque that leads to atherosclerosis. This promotes more flexible arteries, better circulation, and reduces cardiovascular inflammation, which is a major risk factor for heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, turmeric supports liver health by enhancing the body's natural detoxification pathways, which helps to cleanse harmful toxins and promotes overall systemic health. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine is a comprehensive wellness practice that addresses multiple pillars of health, including inflammation control, cardiovascular support, cognitive function, and detoxification. For older adults, maintaining muscle mass and strength or combating the common challenge of sarcopenia is crucial, as muscle loss worsens with inactivity, poor nutrition, or low protein intake. Healthy muscle tissue supports strength, metabolism, glucose regulation, and mobility, and its loss leads to weakness, increased fall risk, and reduced ability to perform daily activities independently. Adding protein powder to your morning coffee provides essential amino acids that promote muscle repair and growth, especially after an overnight fast when the body's protein stores are depleted. Consuming protein-rich coffee helps halt muscle wasting and encourages new muscle synthesis, helping you stay strong, stable, and physically active. Moreover, protein intake impacts appetite control. While plain coffee may provide a quick energy boost, it does not satisfy hunger, often leading to unhealthy snacking and blood sugar spikes later in the morning. Protein powder transforms coffee into a satisfying mini-meal, as protein is the most satiating macronutrient, helping you feel fuller for longer periods and better manage your appetite throughout the morning, which supports weight management and sustained energy levels. This simple addition can profoundly influence your daily nutrition and overall health, creating a balanced start to your day that supports both physical and metabolic well-being. Protein powders digest slowly, sending signals to your brain that you are full and satisfied, a sensation that can last for hours and effectively curb mid-morning cravings, helping you reach lunchtime without resorting to unhealthy snacks. This not only aids in maintaining a healthier weight by reducing overall calorie consumption, but also contributes to more stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Incorporating protein powders into your diet is a straightforward strategy for practicing better portion control and making more mindful food choices, starting with your very first drink in the morning. While the variety of protein powders on the market can be overwhelming, the best choice depends on your personal tolerance, dietary preferences, and taste. Whey protein isolate is a popular option because it is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, is rapidly absorbed, and typically low in lactose, making it easier to digest for many, including those sensitive to dairy. Its mild, creamy flavor blends exceptionally well into coffee, resulting in a latte-like consistency. For those who follow a plant-based diet or prefer to avoid dairy, several excellent alternatives are available. Pea protein is a highly digestible, complete protein with a relatively neutral taste, while brown rice protein is another good option, often paired with pea protein to ensure a complete amino acid profile. For the most balanced plant-based option, look for blended protein powders that combine sources such as pea, rice, hemp, and quinoa, as these blends provide a full spectrum of amino acids and usually offer a smoother texture and better flavor than single-source plant proteins. Enhancing your health during your senior years doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. By incorporating natural protein powders into your daily routine, such as adding them to your morning coffee, you can support joint comfort, mental clarity, immune function, and heart health in simple, enjoyable ways. The key is to start slowly, remain consistent, and select 1 or 2 additions that best align with your personal health goals. This daily ritual transcends a mere habit. It is an act of self-care and a declaration that your well-being is important. With mindful use and guidance from your healthcare provider, you can transform your everyday cup of coffee into a personalized health tonic, empowering you to embrace your golden years with greater energy, comfort, and vitality.